Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to log in to Heritage Bank application on your Android device. But before jumping into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now moving back to our video, make sure your device is connected to the internet and your device has already Heritage Bank installed in it. Then open the bank app. After opening the application, it will ask for your username and password. Enter the registered username and your password. And if you have forgotten your password or email, press forget login. And if you remember, just press login. Then you will be successfully logged in to Heritage Bank application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more videos. Till then, goodbye.